Hey guys, and thanks so much for tuning in to My Savvy Agent. My name is Kara Baratich. I work with Structure Real Estate Group here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Today we're going to be going over how to clean out your dishwasher. All right, here we go. A good rule of thumb is to clean your dishwasher about every 6 months. And this kind of is perfect for that spring-fall cleaning schedule. Of course, as we're cleaning, we also want to disinfect to make sure there's not a lot of bacteria sitting in there, as well as deodorize. When we have food that's just kind of sitting, especially wet food, it can definitely bring on some unpleasant odors. All right, so let's just jump right in. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified when I post a new video every week. I also want to give a big shout out. I have lots of new subscribers, so thank you so much for the support, and I look forward to seeing you next time. All right, until then, stay savvy.